Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 12-inch MDF board in which we are going to create a dot mandala. Let's get started now. I'll start dotting in the center with lemon yellow. Now I'll adjust the dot to fill the circle. Now I'll keep some teal blue dots. Now I'll keep some tiny dots in teal blue. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. Now I'll keep some tiny yellow dots. I'll keep some teal blue dots now. Now I'll keep some tiny dots in teal blue. Now I'll keep some straight swipes in teal blue. I'll keep a dot and then manually drag it to a swipe later. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep two side swipes in yellow. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep some teal blue dots. Now I'll keep some teal blue dots. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll work the dots in yellow now. I'll keep some more yellow dots. Now I'll work the dots again. I'll keep straight swipe in yellow. I'll keep a dot, then drag it to a swipe. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep side swipes in teal blue. As usual, I'll dot and then drag it to a swipe. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep some lemon yellow dots. I'll keep some teal blue dots. Now I'll keep some more teal blue dots. Some more teal blue dots. Now I'll work the dots only one side. I'll work the dots again for the subsequent 2 layers. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. I'm sure all of you loved this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.